Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Microsoft 365 and opening PowerPoint. Make sure Copilot is enabled in the Home ribbon. Once done, set a clear slide outline or 3 main goals so Copilot has direction. Then open the Copilot pane and type a concise prompt. Describe tone, slide count, and audience. You will see suggestions immediately. Pick one to apply. Make sure to save a copy before major changes, because you want to iterate without losing the original. You now refine content. Ask Copilot for speaker notes, slide titles, and visual suggestions. Describe the tone and audience, then instruct it to create concise bullets or full paragraphs. Once Copilot drafts slides, review each and request alternate phrasings or layout options. Make sure visuals match your brand. You should edit text directly, adjust fonts and colors, and swap images if needed. If a slide feels cluttered, ask for a simplified version. This keeps slides focused and readable. You finish by running a final pass. Use Presenter Coach and export to the desired format after checking slide order. Ask Copilot to add alt text and an accessibility check so content is inclusive. If something looks off, request concise rewrites or image replacements. If Copilot becomes unresponsive, close and reopen the pane, sign out and back in, or simplify your prompt into smaller steps. This usually resolves issues quickly. Finally, save and version your deck before sharing.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.